What up, y'all? We out here with another Jeep Wrangler video 2000. This is the TJ. Just want to show y'all what this thing look like fully dressed. I ain't never put everything on it just yet, but I just now done. It's my first time doing it. We got the doors on there, the roof back on there, and we also got the windows inside the doors too. These are the glass windows also. It's not the plastic ones, it's not the zipper ones. The glass windows right there. Everything else is the plastic ones. So the ones on the side, the ones on the back. Got the roof on that thing, man. We all quick look what she looked like fully dressed. My first time having everything, having the roof back on it since I got it. As soon as I got it, I took the roof off the same day. My first time having the roof back on. I'm gonna leave the roof on for a little bit. It's supposed to rain for the next week anyway. But yeah, only thing, man, is I might have to get a new back window back here. The zippers was all messed up, so I couldn't zip these up. I mean, it's in there. It ain't going nowhere, but if I did want to take the sucker out in the rain or somewhere like that, that would, the back gonna be getting wet. She all right though. And also, man, I want to show y'all what these lights look like. I figured out how to change the colors of the flashlights on the bottom, so I got them green to match the my Sasquatch lights now, and I got my light bar working also. I got to do a little bit to my headlights. The headlights, they flicker like on and off, so I might have to wind them up a little bit. But whenever I do ride, I just, if I ride at night, I might have my light bar on. First, I'm gonna show y'all what the Sasquatch lights look like. I don't know if y'all can see, y'all can't hold see that the switch is dark in here now. I got a green light in here also. It came with extra light, so I just hooked up here the inside in here. And you see we got the green going on the bottom of that thing. I changed those colors to green, and we got the green on the front now. The black and green is the thing we're gonna be going with. She looking all right. Let me show y'all what this light bar looks like now. I just had to wire, I don't think I had to do to the light bar, just wire back up. Now it's wired up to it. So it looked like they had it wired up to the switch down here. I just wired it back up to that switch. And it looked like a multicolor, like I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me turn on these Sasquatch lights, but it looks like half of it's like red, half of it's green. I think the whole thing's supposed to be green. But we'll see, though. We can see it a little bit better. But if I turn it off and on, like you see half of it's green, half of it's like reddish color. But I wouldn't mind having the whole thing green like that. It's not like a green where, like a accessory light green. It's like a bright green, like you can actually see, like it could be a headlight or something like that. But I don't know how to change. I don't know how to get the whole thing green. I'm gonna have to tweak into it, do something about it, see if I can change that thing or something though. If I had somebody here to switch on the light, that y'all see it. When it first pop on, the whole bar is green, and then when it turns on, like all the way, the half of it's red, the other half is green. Yeah, y'all, that's it right here though, man. I just want to show y'all what this thing look like fully dressed, because I haven't even really seen this. So, man, I gotta do a quick video, show y'all what this thing look like. Turn these suckers back off. Got a good battery in this thing too though, man, because I had the battery, I had them lights going on for a minute. I ain't had no problem with the battery, nothing like that. But as of right now, y'all, that's what we're looking like. I've been doing some changes to it. I don't know if I posted the video yet, but I recorded the video of me doing the spark plugs and wires. Did that. I did a mass airflow sensor in this thing. Changed that out. I got the parts already to change out the to put my sway bar back on, so this thing ain't swaying so much. I got a quick release for that. So that way, in case I do go in the woods, I can quickly take off my sway bar, let this thing get beast on the trails a little bit. And I'm also gonna be hooking back up my 4x4 in this thing, so we can go some off-road. And then I'm gonna get my throw-out bearing for my clutch, so we ain't got a loud screeching noise when we be shifting gears. It only happens sometimes, not all the time though. But yeah, quick video, man. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next Wrangler video. Go on.